And here's another big financial headache. A judge has just ordered the Buffalo School District to pay a multi-million-dollar judgment. News 4's Al Waters reports this money is owed for breaching a contract to provide busing for students of a charter school.
Supreme Court Justice John Michaelick ruled Buffalo schools reneged on a contract to bus students from the city to the Charter School for Applied Technologies in Tonawanda.
Again, from the time of the breach to the present time, would accommodate damages under this area in the amount of $3,482,543.
The judge tacked on additional damages against the city, total amount nearly $7 million. About 85% of the students at the charter school are from Buffalo, and other cities were doing the same thing. But 3 years ago, Buffalo school administrators told charter school officials they would not be busing the kindergarten through 8th graders anymore.
Every dollar we spend transporting these children is a dollar away from other constructive supplements to their education, books, technology. We are, after all, the Charter School for Applied Technologies. We teach our students how to live in the real world.
Ironically, Judge Michaelick ruled last month Buffalo schools have the right to refuse to bus students from the city to out-of-town schools, except Applied Technologies had a signed contract and had to take on the added expense of paying a bus company to pick up the slack.
The possibility of them getting a less expensive transportation and them completely discounting our offer to extend it 1 year at the time, the judge really didn't take into consideration.
This has to do with undermining the charter school movement, but that is only my opinion, and unfortunately there's no documentation, there's no evidence that it is something else.
Attorneys for both sides appealed Justice Michaelick's ruling last month holding Buffalo schools in breach of contract. This was the damage portion of the lawsuit, and attorneys for the city plan to appeal that judgment too. Al Waters, News 4 at 6.